More Apple products, more money to spend. It looks like there's going to be a third generation of AirPods that is going to be coming in the first half of 2021. Now this rumor comes from Mark Gurman, which is over 80% accurate with his Apple rumors, and I absolutely love the guy because literally almost everything he says ends up becoming real. As you guys can tell from the title, we're going to be talking about AirPods Generation 3. Now I just made a video about AirPods Pro Generation 2, and it looks like they're going to be taking that design and bringing it over to AirPods Gen 3. Now what's rumored to change with the design is making it more circular and actually taking away the stems on the actual AirPods themselves. This is going to upset so many people because a lot of people really don't like the silicone tips, and they're getting rid of the iconic design of the original AirPods if they end up doing this. Basically what Mark Gurman is writing in the article is that the AirPods and AirPods Pro are going to look pretty much identical, except the AirPods Gen 3 are going to be missing some key features like noise cancellation. Now there's kind of two perspectives that you're going to look at this. You're going to look at people who maybe can't afford the AirPods Pro but want the silicone tips, and now there's an option to get that same design with a more budget-friendly version of AirPods. And then there's going to be the other group of people which really like the original look of the AirPods and don't want to upgrade to that Pro design. It might be because of the silicone tips, maybe it doesn't fit in your ears, and maybe when you exercise they fall out. People might prefer the original AirPods look, and I feel like there's going to be a lot of people upset if this ends up happening. But other than the design change, it looks like there's going to be better battery life. Now this is absolutely huge because 5 hours of battery life, which is what is on the AirPods right now, is really not that much. I would say a lot of people might even use that up in one day. Maybe you're a student and you listen to study music and then you have to charge your AirPods every single day. That can be super frustrating. So I'm hoping the battery upgrade is pretty substantial so that it will last quite a bit longer. So that is pretty much all that we know currently about AirPods Generation 3. They are rumored to be coming out the first half of 2021, which is literally right around the corner. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this possible change with the design and the battery. I feel like a lot of people are going to be super pumped about the battery life being upgraded, but also there's going to be a lot of people upset that the design is changing. It's just nice to have choice, you know? Like you can get regular AirPods with the plastic on the ears, or you can get the silicone tips with the Pro. Choice is always great, but from the looks of it, it doesn't look like that option is going to be there much longer, unfortunately. In a perfect world, they would just take the design of the AirPods Pro Gen 2 of taking away the stem and just keeping the plastic piece that would go in your ear. I think a lot of people would be happy with that, but I don't think that's the route they're going to go. But that is it for AirPods Gen 3 so far, guys. Once more news comes out, I'll definitely make more videos. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. There is so much content coming this month, it's absolutely insane. iPhone 12 videos, HomePod mini videos, Apple rumor videos. There is so much content. I have at least 15 videos actually planned to make, not even including anything that might just happen spur of the moment. So yeah, lots of content coming. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Other than that, I hope you guys are all having a great day so far. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.